Hello guys, this is your boy Sbac here, and in this video I'm going to show you, as a beginner trader, or if you want to start trading, what are the things that you should focus on and study step by step to get to the level of profitability. Why am I doing this video? I'm doing this video because there is a plethora of information on the internet that if you don't watch out, you could get lost or you could get discouraged. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video, to help you so that you can know the subjects to study to grow in your trading skills as a beginner trader. All right, so if you're excited about this video, stick with me to the end of the video. Let's go. Hello everybody, this is your boy Sbac here, and I give you all, first of all, a warm welcome. Okay, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, guys, there's a whole lot of things we do on this channel. All right, we don't focus just on forex trading. Okay, even though a gross part of what we do here is majored on forex trading, we talk about online business, we talk about lifestyle and some other kind of things. All right, so you may want to consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, make sure that you like the video even before we jump into it, and I tell you what, you're gonna love it. And at the end of the video, stick to the end of the video, because at the end, guys, you're gonna get a lot of benefit from this video. All right, if you're ready and excited like I am to share with you these good things, guys, hey, without further ado, let's start it. Okay, so guys, you are a beginner trader. All right, now you've heard about trading, you've heard about forex trading, and you are like, okay, I want to start forex trading, this thing looks interesting, where do I start from? As much as forex trading, okay, you don't become a good trader by just focusing on the theoretical aspect of trading, guys. I will first of all say that you will have to start with the notions of forex trading. Okay, the basic notions of forex trading, at least have a knowledge of what you are venturing into. Okay, so what is forex? Study the basic things about forex trading. All right, you can go to a website like Baby Pips. Baby Pips is popular and famous, but that Baby Pips will give you the fundamentals of forex trading. Okay, that it won't leave anything out. Okay, guys, so I will say that start with the fundamentals of forex trading. Now when I say fundamentals, don't get it confused with the fundamentals we have in forex, all right, which we will get there later on. Okay, so basic notion about forex trading. Okay, have a clue and knowledge about forex trading, the codes, the base, what is pips, what are the movements in the forex industry, what are the different currency pairs that we have, the major ones, the minor ones, and the list goes on. All right, so that you won't become ignorant to what you are doing, or you will be able to eradicate, maybe, I don't know which background you're coming from, but you'll be able to eradicate that mindset of, oh, forex is a scam. Now if you come into the forex industry with that mindset, you'll become a failure, because forex is not a scam, bro. That's why I'm saying that you need knowledge. All right, knowledge is power. Knowledge will rewind your wrong theories, all right, about forex industry. So the first thing, get knowledge. Okay, good. Now let's move to the second point. Okay, now the second point is you want to focus. After having gotten the knowledge of forex trading, you gotta know what is the directions of the market. Like now we get it into the practical aspect of forex trading, because as I told you, forex, you become a good trader by trading, by sitting in front of the charts and doing it over and over and over. All right, working on your strategy, looking at the chart, studying the movements of the chart. So this is the second point. All right, begin to watch the chart, get to know the movements of the market. The market, forex market, has just three movements: uptrend, downtrend, and the ranging movement. All right, or some others call it the sideways or the consolidation. Okay, so after you know about this movement, now you want to move to what causes this movement. Obviously the candles. Okay, it's the candles that creates this movement. So in the forex trading, we have what we call candlesticks patterns. So now you may want to focus on candlesticks patterns. What are the candlesticks, the popular candlesticks patterns? All right, so you can do a research on Google and write in what are the most popular candlesticks patterns to study. All right, and it will give you, you will find some similitudes in all the results that you will get. Now get a pen and a paper and draw down or print down these ones that repeat itself, all right? Because not all the candlesticks patterns that you see are very strong. There are some that are weak and there are some that are strong. Guys, I will do a video on the candlesticks pattern, but at this time of recording this video, I've not done it yet, all right? But I will do a video on candlesticks patterns whereby I will prove to you and show you some techniques to remember, like 20-30 candlesticks patterns, and these are strong candlesticks patterns and you can use them all the time and get a lot of results, all right? So tactic to target on is candlesticks patterns, all right? Because the candlesticks are the ones that creates the market that we retailers, we focus on to do our analysis, all right? Now, having studied the candlesticks patterns, you remember I told you about the movement. Now I said the movement for the reason in the second point. I said the movement for a reason, the movement of the market for a reason. Why? Because the movement doesn't just create itself like that. The movement eventually turns out to be what we call price actions. And these are chart patterns, okay? These are chart patterns. Chart patterns are very, 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 very important, guys, because it is the market telling you what could probably be his potential next move, the market's potential next move, all right? So example, if the market gives you a double top, then it's telling you that, which is a reversal pattern, because in the Forex market, we have the continuation patterns and we have the reversal patterns, okay? So when you see a double top, then it's the market telling you that, hey, listen, I'm blocked up here. Now, the likelihood for me to go down is very high. Okay, so be ready to jump down with me. How do you notice that? You see, if you know these things, that is where you get to the level whereby you can trade that which in the Forex market industry, it is popularly known as the naked market. Why? Because you don't need anything. You just need your trend lines, your Fibo, which we will talk about it later on. You need your Fibo and you just have to watch the market. Do you understand me? Technically speaking, you just become good. You just know, you just identify situations in the market, all right? So guys, that is the fourth point for you. Learn the chart patterns, okay? Now let's move on with the fifth point. Okay guys, so the fifth point that I'm giving to you here is, having gotten this technical part of trading, this whole aspect that we've seen so far are all encapsulated in the department of the trading world where we call it technical trading, okay? So it's all in the technical trading department. Now, having gathered all these tools, guys, what is your next step? Your next step is, now practice this thing. Now, as I tell you to practice these things, what I mean is, now begin to find a strategy to match up with all these things that you've learned so far. Now become more practical, okay? Because your longevity in the Forex market will be based on your strategy, okay? Now, guys, I gave a 5 quality tools about how to build a strong and a formidable trusting strategy. Guys, I think I've already done that video. It should be somewhere on my channel. But anyway, if you don't find it, guys, put it in the comment section and I will just talk about this 5, because the reason why I don't want to talk about this is because this is not the purposes of this video, right? So guys, if you don't find it in my channel, let me know in the comment section and I'll do a video on this 5 joystick that helps you, okay? There's 5 measures that helps you to build a very strong strategy, because you need it at this point as a beginner. Because guess what? You have the theory about Forex trading. You know the movements of the market. Now you know candlesticks pattern. Now you know price action, chart patterns. Guys, what is left? Begin to practice what you're doing. You understand me? Begin to practice it. Begin to strategize it. Put it in the context that suits your personality. Do you understand me? Put it in the context that can produce money for you, because that is the whole scope of this Forex trading. Do you understand me? That is where you want to get to, okay? So now, if you are able to do this step that I just gave you, then you want to get to this segment, this point in your trading career whereby we talk about trading psychology. How do you get your trading psychology built? Some people say that trading is 80% psychology and 20% is just technical. It could be true, and for most of the part, I believe that is true. Do you understand me? Because at the end of the day, you putting your money on the front line, and you know how human beings are stick with their money. You know, ain't nobody want to lose their money, cause why? They sweat to get that money. So to just come and lose that money like that, just in a split of seconds, nobody want to do that. Do you guys understand me? So that is where we get to this part in the trading industry, whereby you want to work on your psychology. How do you master your psychology? You master your psychology by trading. Trade. Press the buy, press the sell. Watch your strategy perform. Okay, give your strategy a time. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Do that same strategy. Doing that same strategy is part of psychology. It's what we call stickability. That's why I said that if I've not speak to you guys about the 5-year stick, if you don't find it on my channel, guys, write it in the comment section. It's very, very important to understand this concept in the 5-year sticks that helps you build a strong strategy. Okay, once you have your strategy, stick with your strategy for months. Test it, do it. Trading is discipline. Where is discipline built? Discipline is not built on the chart. Discipline is a mindset, attitude. You guys understand me? Your mind needs to be in a space whereby it believes what it's doing. Your mind needs to be in a space in the trading industry where your mind is willing to take a loss or willing to see the strategy perform as it is. So if it's not a loss, then it's going to the profit. Take profit. If it is not the take profit yet, if it hasn't hit the take profit yet, then whatever your strategy means is, then that means you probably might be in the market because the market hasn't hit your stop loss yet or hasn't hit your take profit yet. So now, do you have the patience? If you haven't seen a setup yet, do you have the patience to wait for the right setup? Guys, it's very, very, very important that you have the patience. That is why we say that trading psychology has a huge role in trading. When the market goes to negative a little bit and you begin to see your money, when you begin to see your equity running in negative, how do you begin to feel like? How is your motion? Are you able to control your feelings? Are you with me? Okay, so guys, now if you're already liking the video, before I give you the last points that I have, all right? If you're liking the video, guys, make sure that you hit the like button. It's gonna help your brother a lot. Make sure that you share the videos too with your other fellows who are in the trading industry, all right? Or if you know someone who is struggling, send this video to him, all right? Make sure that you do subscribe to this channel, all right, guys? It's gonna help me, it's gonna help the community, it's gonna help me to produce more content for you guys, and it's gonna help this video to reach other people who really needs to hear this information, all right? Guys, having said that, let's move to the next point, all right? So now you are working on your psychology. Guys, now listen, you're gonna need your psychology for the rest of your trading career. All right, because that is where the discipline, everything is built in. All right, so as you've gotten to this point where you have your strategy and you have you are working on your psychology by trading, by watching the chart, by watching your strategy work. Now, guys, you want to get you want to get the fundamental part aspect of trading to your career. You want to add it to your career, your trading career, okay? So this is the area we begin to talk about fundamental trading, okay? We could have talked about fundamental trading right after when we talk about, price action and those kind of things, or the technical aspect of trading. We could have talked about fundamentals, but you know what? I skipped the fundamentals because guess what? Sometimes if you get good with the technical, you can even become profitable without even knowing fundamentals. But then now, why do I have to talk about fundamentals? Because guys, for those that don't know, there are people who only trades news. They trade fundamentals. Let me say it that way, okay? They are not day traders, they are not scalpers, they are not whatever thing you may call it. They are just event traders, news traders. When they hear that a news is about to hit, then they get in front of the computer. When they see a CPI news, then they get in front of the computer. When they see that a certain event is going on, like it happened, Brexit, COVID, all those kind of things, then they get in front of the computer. Why? That is what they do. So why do I have to bring in fundamental? Now, fundamental brings you in a place whereby you have this balance in your trading career, okay? And you don't become a vulnerability to to some of the times how let me put it this way, the misbehavior of the market some of the times. You understand me? Because if you're just technical and you don't know nothing about fundamentals, then one day out of nowhere as you're trading, then you begin to see a big whoop, and you're like, whoa, what is going on here? What is this huge drop? Yes, my brother, it's fundamental, okay? It's fundamentals, some geopolitical events happening somewhere in the world, or depending on the currency pair that you're trading, okay? So you wanna now focus on fundamentals. So after you've strengthened your knowledge, give yourself some months to strengthen your knowledge on technical, okay, on the technical aspect of trading. Having done that, then you move to the fundamental aspect of trading, okay? So you find out the different platforms where you can get the information about fundamental trading, and you focus on that and you learn that too, okay? Now, this is the last one we're gonna talk about, guys. If you know the last one I'm gonna talk about, if you think you know, pause the video and put it in the comment section. You really wanna make money with your technical, your fundamental, then guys, add this one last thing to it. This one last two to it. Fibonacci. We cannot underestimate the power in that two. The Fibonacci 2 is a must-have in your trading journey if you really want to have a longevity in the Forex market and sometimes understand the reversals of the market. Do you understand me? Because sometimes the market breathes in and breathes out, okay? When it breathes back in, when is it gonna reverse? When it's not giving you, when the market is not giving you a chart pattern, when the market is not showing you any candlesticks, when the market is not speaking any language to you, how do you determine the market is gonna reverse? That is where most of the times Fibonacci comes in handy. Guys, so having said that, after you've gotten your Fibonacci, now you need chart time. Just spend time on the chart. You can never cheat the market, all right? Spend that time on the chart, because the more you spend time on the chart, the more you get to know the market. Move from the 1 minute time frame to the highest time frame, to the biggest time frame, all right? Study their attitude. Focus on one currency pair. Know that currency pair well. Then you move to another currency pair where you don't even have to be trading tons of different pairs. You can even be trading one pair, but you just gotta know that pair very well. When you get to that point, guys, you get to the place of profitability, all right? Guys, I thank you very much for your time. If you did enjoy this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up, all right? So that it will help the algorithm transport this video to the right people, all right? Thank you guys for your time. I appreciate you a lot. Thank you very much. Make sure that you follow me on all my social media platforms, all right? On Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, because I got a whole lot of different things going on, all right? And there, as I always say, we can get more personal. You can write me directly in my DMs, in my message box, and I will reply you guys instantly, okay? I thank you very much for your quality time that you've spent with me. If you did enjoy this video, or if there is any doubts, or if you think there is something that I left out, then guys, put it in the comment section, and it could be a help to me. It could be a help to the community, okay? Thank you very much. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. I'll prove my message.